Morning all. DeGris 2084. Okay, I'll play Sicilian for a bit of variety. Oh, so when I do, people don't really play mainline stuff. I'll just try and play naturally, try and control these two squares. Maybe play d5 later. Okay. Right, so I'll take. Now maybe play e5, liberates this bishop. Maybe I can play bishop g4 at some point. I wonder about knight d4 here actually. So if it takes I'll be no. I think I'll be stopping knight c3, but no. Queen c2, knight c3 is a problem. Maybe. Queen a5. Alright, Queen c7 I think. If I can get in bishop g4, hopefully, then knight c3 to d5 isn't as significant. I'll always have knight d4 after knight takes. So knight c3, bishop g4, knight d5, takes, then takes, maybe knight d4. But if h3, then, I don't know, this d5 is a problem. Bishop e6, don't know. Okay. Right, I guess bishop e6 is okay. Accepting double pawns. But are they going to be easily exploitable or not? Temporarily repairing d5 in any case. Have knight d4 here for one second. I'll play that. Okay, allow this pawn sack. Because I've got queen takes c1 check here. Oh dear. Bit fortunate. Let's have a quick look at that. So, yeah, tactic is very important not to miss when doing strategy. So strategically, yeah, d5 was an issue. So by playing bishop e6, yeah, it is a bit controversial, but white's d4 is also weak. So although he's like pouncing on e6, he's leaving behind d4. Also, I am putting more pressure on the first rank, so it needed more preparation, of course, this plan. So here, after taking now, so if I did take immediately, there's rook d1, so this is correct, just take, and now queen takes c1. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.